Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to turn off your SIM card on an Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Network Internet or Connections. Tap on SIM cards or mobile network. Here, you'll see the SIM card as listed. Toggle off the SIM card that you want to disable. This will turn off your SIM card and prevent it from connecting to the network. To turn it back on, simply toggle the SIM card back on. That's it. You've successfully turned off your SIM card. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.